So today we're taking a peek at a product that I got for review, probably been a little over a month now, to be honest. And it's one of those things that is very usable by the entire population. Whether you're in sports or just looking to relax some muscles, this is the REVO massage gun, and this is one of those products I was really looking forward to reviewing. And since I've used it, I am a big supporter of it. So let's take a peek at the REVO massage gun. So this is the box that it came in. This is the REVO massage gun. Essentially, like I said, I've been using it for a while. I've actually tried several of the different ends in here. And so I'm actually gonna pop this open for you. So it has a little user manual. It's pretty basic on how to use this, but it works so well. They have different ends. So the end that obviously I have on here is this ball end, which allows you to glide over your skin a little bit better than some of the other ones, but it is fairly large, so it does make it fairly big. And so I was actually traveling with it once, and I put on this kind of flat head as well. Now this flat head actually has this rubberized surface on it, so it doesn't slide over the skin as much, but as you can see here, it goes from being this big, and they just pop off real easy, to being this big. So this is a lot more travel friendly when you put this smaller head on. You do have, like a lot of these, and let's just take out the second piece of foam. The fork end that can get you a little bit more, direct placement. They have this kind of nub end. And then in this little box is your charging cable. Oop, there you go. This is USB-A to USB-C. Just a USB-C port here on the very end. And the thing that actually made me more excited about this than any other massage gun that I've been looking at for a while at the price point that this gun is at is its construction. It is built extremely well. This is all metal on the outside of the actual product. There's a USB-C port down here. There is a button up here which takes short and long presses to turn it on or turn it off. Push it on. Just push and hold until it lights up, and you'll see it go green. Basically it's telling me that it's on, and of course the battery's good. But if you push and hold, and while it's green you push and hold again, then she starts up. Now there are several different speed cycles, and you'll see as I click, you're going to hear it too. And then back down to off. And then I'll click it again, and she'll go right back into it. So you just cycle through them. And so depending on how much pressure, how much you really need to work something out of your muscle is, based on this. Now the frequency, or I should say the rate, like the power, right? Sometimes the lower frequency or the lower power works better on some things, and then you'll knock it up and it'll actually work better on other issues. So these, if you've ever used one of thof these guns, don't think it is low, short, I guess least powerful, most powerful. It kind of is like that, but it definitely, depending on the part of your body that you're working on, will depend on the speed that it'll actually feel the best, as well as is most effective. But the big thing about this gun is the build quality and length of battery. So it takes like 2.5 hours to fully charge this thing from 0 to full. So if you're going to take it all the way down, I typically don't. I let it, like for the first several weeks, we just kind of used it intermittently. I was, did my wife's back muscles or whatever have you with this. And, I tried the different heads, and it's really easy to change the heads. As you can see, it's just friction fit, right? You just pull on it and yanks out. Like I said, this ball end out of all of them is really nice for something that you're going to move up and down a muscle group. So on the back muscles, I find this to be the best. But if there's something that you're trying to target specifically, that's where these guys come into play. And depending on what you're targeting, will depend on which end works best for you. But I really like specifically, and this actually might be one of my favorites, but this one right here, just because of how compact it is, it makes it easy to take throw it in the glove box if I want to take it on a road trip or something with me. Nice and small. I love it. Absolutely love it. But the build quality of this thing is awesome. So like I said, 2.5 hours charge, 3 hours of actual massage use is what you can get up to. It's a 1300 milliamp hour battery, and then it's just, like I said, USB-C charging. So if you just have your USB-C charger with you in the car or whatever, you can plug this in and charge it anywhere. But that's the REVO massage gun. Pretty awesome. So in the end, this is officially called the Pill by REVO. And so that's what this nice, small, compact massage gun is called. It regularly sells for $129. Right now you can get it for 99 bucks. And for 99 bucks, I would say try to find a better massage gun for $99. Yeah, there might be other ones that have fancier gadgets, but this thing works really well and is really well built. So for that 99, again, you get the unit itself, the actual massage gun, all metal construction, fantastic. You get the ball end, you get this flat end, you get the forked end, and you get this little guy that's called the Pill, I believe is what they call this little guy. Obviously these two are more for pinpointing specific locations that you want to massage, and these are more generalistic. The ball, like I said before, is lovely for like going up and down your arm or up and down a back or in other areas. It is a fantastic massage gun for 99 bucks. And again, like I said before, one of my favorite features is how compact it is with how powerful it is, because it's quite powerful in a very small, lovely shape. And of course, you can see why it's called the Pill, because it looks like a big medicine pill with a little leg coming out of it. So that is the REVO Pill. I will have links in the description where you can take a peek at it directly on Amazon, as well as directly on REVO's own website. They're both the same price, but check it out. Let me know what you think. Comment in the section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, like always. And of course, here at the end, I will have some links to some other videos that you can feel free to check out at your leisure, as well as a link directly to my channel where you can see all of the content that I've created over the years. So that is the REVO Pill massage gun. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you back here on techgooch for another video review. We'll see you soon.